You might be asking yourself, how can you naturally reduce the size of your stomach? In fact, the only way to reduce our stomach is through surgery, such as bariatric surgery. However, studies have shown that our stomach's food storing abilities are connected to our eating habits, meaning that the size of the stomach has nothing to do with the size of the person. When we eat, the nerves in our stomach walls send signals to our brain, saying that they've stretched to about 70% of their capacity. So, the larger the stomach, the longer it takes for your brain to register that you're full. As we digest our food, our stomach goes back to its normal size and starts producing a hormone called ghrelin. This hormone tells our brain that we're hungry again. Our stomach takes around 20 minutes to tell our brain that it's full, so if we eat too fast, we're probably eating too much. If you change a few of your eating habits, it's possible to shrink your stomach, making you feel full faster and hungry less often. It's important to avoid distractions while choosing what you want to eat, and not to choose only by taste, but also by smell, texture and appearance. Always choose foods with higher nutritional density, such as fruit, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Vegetables are great because they take up space in your stomach but don't have as many calories as other foods, filling you up on less calories. Choosing healthier foods and eating smaller portions will tone your stomach and help you lose weight in a healthy and natural way. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.